Matt Damon. Yeah, Matt Damon. Because, in fact, and I also like, what's the guy's name? From As Good As It Gets.
Sobrang favorite ko sila, hindi mo maalala ko.
I'm not good at names. That's one thing you have to learn about me. I'm not good at names.
What's my name?
Christine? Julianne? for the guys, for that.
Bae.
Girls, I like...
Small girl.
Hindi. It really depends on the movie, but Angelina Jolie. I already said Julia Roberts, but I think this is classic. Julia Roberts is great actress. Susan Sarandon, I think was great. Local. Did you say my name? Did you say Gucci? Oh, okay. Local. I like watching, because I remember growing up watching all the Sharon movies with my mom. Sharon Pineda. You know what else? For the guys, Christopher De Leon. This reminds me of my dad.
Daddy's boy ka?
I'm a mama's boy. I'm a mama's boy. Sorry, Dad.
Tapos na?
Yeah. Sadly, we have to say goodbye to our chatters. But before we leave, please once again invite all our chatters, all our friends who are online right now to watch your new show.
Yes, October 19 na po. Magsa-start na sa Monday. Bago mag-14. Somewhere in My Heart. So sana po panoorin nyo kami po ulit ni Gucci. Yun. Ikaw naman.
Yes, please visit the official Multiply site of Precious Hearts Romance. That's phrtv.multiply.com.
Yes, sana po abangan niyo po yan. October 19, bago mag-14. Sigurado po ako na magugustuhan nyo. Kasama si A. Rondeliana, Lou Andy, Erica Padilla, si Cheesy, si Lloyd,
Last name?
Zaragoza.
Yeah.
And syempre directed by ang box office director, Gabby Garcia Molina.
Yeah.
Sana po ang
Yes. October 19 na. Monday to Friday.
Other projects coming up.
Ako, Ruby. Abangan niyo po sa Ruby. Hindi ko alam kung kailan papalabas. Pero nag-start na kami mag-taping ko. Kasama dun syempre si Angelica Panganiban. And yung Iliw sa October 18, Sunday, yung premiere po sa Market, 6:30.
I mean, watch Your Song if you're not already watching Bea and Sam's Your Song. The ex Bea. Also, if you're here in the Philippines, please, October 23 to the 25th, I'll be with Robert Senya. He's he plays the God, I play the devil. In Tales of the Manubu, showing at CCP. And yes, look out for that.
Ayan. So all our chatters, please watch out for Precious Hearts Romances presents Somewhere in My Heart. And starting October 19. And also, please log on again to chat.abs-cbn.com on Friday, October 16 to chat with Tofi and Kenny and JM and JP, ang twins ng PBB Double Up. Yeah. PBB Double Up. And we'll see you on Friday, guys. Thank you so much, Kian, Gucci. Thank you to all our chatters. See you once again on Friday. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.